good cold evening, everybody, or day. Yeah, well, it depends on whenever you're watching this. But welcome to a short episode of Cooking on Coals with Mike. This evening, we'll be cooking bacon-wrapped chicken thighs on the 18-inch Weber. I've already got my 40 charcoal briquettes in the chimney, and I got my pups out here helping. Before I light these coals, though, I'm gonna head in here to the kitchen and prepare the chicken. Come on, pups. Got all my ingredients laid out? Let me show them to you. Come on. I'll be using Montreal chicken, Everglades seasoning, and good old Dijon mustard. Now to the really good stuff. Bacon. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Smithfield cherrywood bacon, boneless skinless chicken thighs. And this right here is for my enjoyment. A little hot dang diggity from my friends at Jekyll Brewing. Woohoo, yeah. Must be 21 or older to enjoy. Well, got the chicken thighs all wrapped up. Look at that right there. Let's get out there and light the grill now. I found the use of MAP gas works really well at lighting the charcoal chimney. Charcoal's getting ready quick. Let's get inside, put that bacon up so we can have it for Saturday morning breakfast. Now friends, let me tell you something. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Seal a meal. Go to Amazon and get it. This is what it looks like right here. That's it. This bacon right here will be just as fresh Saturday morning as it was 5 minutes ago. Alright guys, the charcoal is ready. I have halved it up in each of the charcoal baskets, and then you're going to want to let the grill heat up for about 5-10 minutes. See? Just like that. The grill is hot and the chicken is on. I'm just going to add some apple wood to either side and we'll be good to go. See that, Riley? I just peeked outside, guys, and she is smoking good. Look at this right here. That's going to be so good. We're going to give her 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back out and check the temp on the chicken thighs. That's good, isn't it? Okie dokie, folks, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's check these chicken thighs out. What do you think? Oh, my word. They came out really good, folks. Look at that right there. That's going to conclude tonight's episode of Cooking on Coals with Mike. Always remember, keep your roots watered, your motorcycle gas tank full, and your wife happy. Peace out!